The Spitfire America's Property Recovery Fund seeks to initially exploit recovery themes in both North and South America by selecting discounted property investment opportunities that will provide outstanding capital growth and attractive levels of income.
The Americas ignited the volatile ride experienced over recent times in the world financial markets. This was particularly important as the Americas represented and continue to represent the largest investable universe in real estate globally. The U.S. alone accounts for approximately 40% of the indirect real estate universe by market capitalization.
The size of the U.S. commercial property market is $6,700 billion and accounts for more than 10% of the U.S. gross domestic product.
During this recent downturn, not only did real estate capital values fall, but also the structure holding these assets came into question. Structures like collateralized debt instruments, asset-backed securities, or ABSs, open-ended funds, and real estate investment trusts as a structure were called into question. Initially, the real estate investment trust market led the values lower to deep discounts to net asset values of approximately 30 to 40% in the U.S. The real estate investment trust market has recapitalized with many real estate investment trusts coming to the market, not only to meet these refinancing requirements, but also to position themselves for other real estate investment trust takeovers and consolidations. In the Americas, commercial property values have been slow to catch up with market prices. As a result, a couple more quarters of negative total return are expected, even though the market prices are starting to improve. The smoothing creates a buying opportunity.
The Spitfire America's Property Recovery Fund will invest in open-ended property funds, listed closed-end property companies, global quoted property stocks, real estate investment trusts, exchange-traded funds, and any other suitable America's property-related investments.
In South America, and in particularly Brazil, changes to residential mortgage availability have dramatically and positively impacted consumer spending power. This is driving a demand for commercial property too, particularly in retail and distribution sectors. The newfound consumer money needs to be spent. The Spitfire America's Property Recovery Fund is designed to monitor and take advantage of mispricing and deeply discounted opportunities. The ability to move between the developed and developing nations in the Americas offers diversification and exposure to multiple investment strategies. The ability to move between direct, indirect, and real estate hedge funds allows the fund to operate both absolute return and non-correlated strategies.
The Spitfire America's Property Recovery Fund is listed on the Bermuda Stock Exchange, the world's largest offshore, fully electronic securities market. Recognized by the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission as a designated offshore securities exchange, and by the UK Financial Services Authority as a designated investment exchange. For an application form offering memorandum and more information about the Spitfire America's Property Recovery Fund, click on the links below.